1번. 다음을 듣고 의미가 같은 문장을 고르시오.
During my stay in London, I ate a good deal of meat.
2번. 다음을 듣고 물음에 가장 알맞은 대답을 고르시오.
Do you know when the next train will leave for Busan?
3번. 다음을 듣고 두 사람이 먼저 만나려는 이유를 고르시오.
Hi, Diana. It's John.
Oh, hi. So did you talk with Bill about going to the circus?
Yeah. Bill will meet us at the circus with the tickets at 3:30.
Good. Do you want to meet for lunch first?
Okay. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the Long Island information booth at Penn Station. Then we can walk down to that hamburger place on 7th Avenue.
Sounds good. What time? About 1 o'clock?
Great. See you later.
Bye.
(4번) 다음을 듣고 경찰이 찾으려는 사람을 고르시오.
Ma'am, my name is Detective Andrews, and I want to ask you some questions.
Of course.
First, was the person you saw male or female?
Male.
Was he tall?
I don't think so. He was about 5 feet 8 inches tall.
And what about his hair?
It was short and curly.
What color?
Black, I think.
Was he fat or thin?
He was fat.
Did he wear glasses?
No, I don't think so.
Do you remember anything else?
No, I told you everything I know.
(5번) 다음을 듣고 남자가 주당 몇 시간 일하는지 고르시오.
Do you have a new job?
Yes.
What do you do?
I'm a machine operator in a factory on King Street.
That sounds good. How many hours do you work?
I work 6 hours a day, 5 days a week.
What time do you start in the morning?
I start at 8 o'clock and finish at 4:30, with a half hour for lunch.
So, how much do you make?
$10 an hour.
That's great. Congratulations.
(6번) 다음을 듣고 이 대화가 이루어진 장소를 고르시오.
Is this the flight to Chicago?
Yes, it is. Do you have your ticket?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Is your name Adam Smith?
Well, my first name is Adam, and my last name is Smith.
Do you live in London?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a suitcase?
Yes, I do. I have a guitar and a backpack, too. Here they are.
Thank you. Have a nice flight.
Thanks.
(7번) 다음을 듣고 남자가 지불해야 할 금액을 고르시오.
Excuse me. I want to rent a bicycle for my cousin. He's coming to visit me.
Sure. Those bikes over there are for rent.
The green one's nice. How much is it?
It's $60 a week.
Wow, that's expensive.
This blue one is $40.
Okay, that's good. Those gloves look very good. How much are they?
They're $12.
Fine, that's cheap. Okay. The blue bicycle and the gloves.
(8번) 다음을 듣고 남자가 거스름돈으로 받게 될 액수를 고르시오.
Can I help you?
No, I'm just looking around.
I see. Just let me know if you need anything.
How much is this radio?
It was $100, but it's on sale. 20% off.
Is this the latest model?
Sure. It is very good.
Oh, I see. I'll take it. Here's $100.
Thanks. Here's your change.
(9번) 다음을 듣고 여자가 전화를 건 목적을 고르시오.
Hello, this is Schubert.
Hello, Dean Schubert. My name is Anne Elizabeth. I'm a reporter from the Times.
Yes?
I heard about a strange animal at your house. Could I come and talk to you about it?
Yes, it certainly would make an amusing story. Can you come this afternoon at 3 o'clock?
Yes, that would be fine. Thank you very much. I'll see you then.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
(10번) 다음을 듣고 여자의 직업이 무엇인지 고르시오.
Hello, listeners. This is Phil King speaking. My guest today is Mary Jones, the famous women's clothes designer. Welcome to the show.
Hello, Phil. I'm glad to be here.
Nice to have you, Mary. What are the new colors for this year?
Oh, I like the colors of this year. Clothes are in orange, yellow, and red. I don't like the black and white of last year.
(11번) 다음을 듣고 두 사람의 관계를 가장 잘 나타낸 것을 고르시오.
Can I give you a hand?
Oh, thanks.
By the way, I'm Tom. I'm in apartment 203.
Oh, I'm moving into 204. My name is Maria.
Are you going to school here?
No, I'm a reporter. I just started working for World News. And how about you, Tom? What do you do?
I'm a law student. I want to be a lawyer.
(12번) 다음을 듣고 부모에 대한 여자의 심경으로 알맞은 것을 고르시오.
My parents don't understand me. They think that I am still a baby. They tell me to clean my room. They tell me to study. They tell me to turn down my music. They tell me to be nice to my little brother. They tell me to come home early. What can I do to make them understand that I am almost an adult?
(13번) 다음을 듣고 무엇에 관한 내용인지 고르시오.
In The Last Emperor, director Bernardo not only gives us a fascinating history lesson, but also a human drama. It is the story of Puyi, who came to the throne in 1908 at the age of 2. The performances are outstanding, and the movie is spectacular in every way. The 3 hours fly by, and the audience leaves feeling they have gotten to know a great country and a sensitive, unusual man.
(14번) 다음을 듣고 남자가 지불해야 할 돈의 총계가 얼마인지 고르시오.
I bought a shirt with long sleeves. I wanted a large size. It was $20. I bought a pair of winter pants with small pockets. They cost $30. And also, I needed some shoes for hot summer days at the pool. They were $25. How much money did I have to pay for these?
(15번) 다음을 듣고 this가 무엇인지 고르시오.
This involves accepting responsibility for the offense. This is often the best response to an expression of anger, and, if sincere, will help to calm the other person down. This may have to be repeated before the other person will accept it.
(16번) 여자의 질문을 듣고 이어질 대답으로 알맞은 것을 고르시오.
Hi, are you new around here?
Yes, I am. My name's Gina. What's yours?
Mike, pleased to meet you. What do you do, Gina?
I'm a student. What about you?
(17번) 다음을 듣고 이어질 말로 알맞은 것을 고르시오.
I'd like to return this hat.
What seems to be the problem with it?
It's too old-fashioned.
Would you like to exchange it for one that's more stylish?
I don't think so. I'd just like a refund, please.
I'm sorry, we don't give refunds.
No refunds?
(18번) 다음을 듣고 질문에 알맞은 대답을 고르시오.
Say, Jane, how are you doing?
Mike, hey, how are you?
Not bad. Where are you going?
I'm going to a movie. How about you?
Oh, I just got off work. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
Where are you working now?
J&L Steel. It's a real pain, but I guess I shouldn't complain. Lots of guys are out of work these days.
Yeah, that's the truth. Well, I better let you go get some supper.
Question. What is the man trying to do now?
(19번) 다음 5쌍의 대화를 듣고 표현이 어색한 것을 고르시오.
1. Is it Wednesday today?
No, it's Tuesday.
2. Where was Tom yesterday?
He was working at the store.
3. What time do you get up?
I get up at 6:30.
4. Do you drink coffee?
No, I drink tea.
5. What's the matter?
It is made of stone.
20번. 다음을 듣고 무엇에 관한 내용인지 고르시오.
There are many things people remember about the 60s. Some people remember it for miniskirts, the Beatles, and hippies. It was a time when young people owned the world and thought that anything was possible. In art, fashion, and music, the big names were often in their early 20s, and some of them became very rich. The 60s was a time when young people used to do whatever they wanted.